Good evening, friends. This is Kamal here, representing PRCOMP. The official website is prccomp.org.in. In this session, we are going to provide today a short demo or hands-on on Mailmerge. The Mailmerge option is present in the Mailing tab. You can see I have written a documents over here, and now I am going to make it a Mailmerge presentation here. Now, before starting, I must say that Mailmerge is something. It's similar to the mailing option, but you can have the hard copy obtained in it, where something is written to the particular person to whom you are want to send the mails, and then you need to merge after writing a particular document, like here what you can see. Then you merge the official mailing address to particular this, and you can take print as long as much you can, uh, as much you need, and then you can send it to the manually to each person to whom you wish to send. So let me start this particular mail merge. I've written this, clicked on mailing, clicked under the start mail merge under the mailing tab, and clicked on step by wizard. So this particular letter I have taken. Now next starting is document. Now use the current document. Here is written, so I'm taking this particular document. Now select send recipients. So I don't have any recipient here, so for that I need to type a new list over here. So create, I'm typing Mr. Tomal, last name Das. Then the second one is Mr. Vivek Goel. Then another one is Mrs. Rima Haldar. And the fourth one is Miss Seema Khatun. Now I have written down four addresses and clicked on OK. It will show you a dialog box where you want to save it. So in the text block, I'm saving with the name in a particular folder, mail, with a name called mailing list. Save it. So I have saved it. Now it is showing me to whether I want to take all the names or select it. If you want to if you want to deselect a particular one, then just click here and it will get deselected. But by the time I want to send it to all the, so I am taking it. Now it says write a letter. Now as I have already written my content of the letter, so I am giving something like address block. No, before that, greeting line. Okay, then come in the next line comes like address block. It says all these things. So suppose this is all over for this time, so I'm clicking on preview. So see, this comes first Mr. Tamalda, second Vivek Goel, second is Zimala, third is Sima Khatun, and all these are not merged till now. Now I am merging all this, so this option will come that complete the merge. So now either print, I don't have the print machine right now. I'm clicking on edit individual letters. So click on OK. See, this is first one, this is second one, this is third one, and this is the fourth one. In this way you can do the mail merge option, or you can use the mail merge option. So this is all for the today demonstration. Thank you for being with us. We stay there for more updates. Representing PRCUMP, email is justamal6@gmail.com, call is 84208791 per mail. Stay there for more updates. Thank you for being share with us, and thank you for sharing something like my video. Thank you.